फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रो टैलेंट एंड आई एम नितिन परमार। दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है इन दिस क्लैट हडल 2022 के अंदर। दोस्तों, क्लैट हडल जो लोग जानते हैं उनको पता है कि दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन। ठीक है, कल से देयर आर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु आर आफ्टर मी, दे कॉल्ड मी अ लॉट। ठीक है, आई कुडंट पिक अप सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स कॉल, बट पर ये जो क्लैट हडल है, ठीक है, वो अब बिल्कुल तैयार है। ठीक है, मजा आने वाला है दोस्तों। दिस इज कोर 2 लेवल, नॉट वेरी बेसिक। कोहॉर्ट 1 लेवल का नहीं है, इट इज कोहॉर्ट 2 लेवल। सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कोहॉर्ट 2 लेवल, इट मीन्स दैट इट इज टफ। ओके, कोहॉर्ट 3 इज अ वेरी एडवांस लेवल। सो एनीवे, दिस इज कोहॉर्ट 2। ठीक है दोस्तों, आपको क्लैट हडल में क्या मिलेगा? You can say you are going to get, you can say क्लैट हडल में daily, you can say sectional test, and every Sunday you get mock test which is of 2 hours. Okay, and every day you are getting a test of one section, whether it is legal, logic, RC, quant, GK. That's what you are going to get. The objective of this CLAT hurdle is very simple, that you are going to take a review, that is a mid-term review of your preparation. So wherever you are today, okay, in terms of your preparation, this is the right time to assess. And you are not assessing only with one paper, but you are trying to assess yourself over a period of time. Okay, similar kind of questions, okay, and over a period of time, you will be in a position to identify whatever you have studied, you can say whether it is right or not. Okay, that's where the idea is. Okay, number 2. You can say the advantage of this CLAT hurdle would be when you are appearing for so many tests, okay, it is going to give you a practice on a daily basis. So you develop discipline, you develop a kind of system कि I have to every day at a particular time appear for the test. That's very important. Okay, another important factor, the questions are tough. Okay, the tests are not easy. Okay, so that means when you are appearing for it and you are not able to score well, then you can find out, okay, which concepts you don't know. Okay, whether you got a trouble with respect to time management or you got a trouble in some concepts, then you can start improving on those concepts. Okay, that's how you can take this particular test. Okay, I believe that's very comfortable for you. At the same time, you are going to compete with so many students nationally. ओके, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, ठीक है। सो दोस्तों, ये आपको बहुत फायदा रहेगा एंड at the end of the day, after spending 30 days with us, you are going to get ahead in your preparation compared to so many other students. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो क्वालिटी के कंटेंट आपको मिलेंगे, दे आर डेफिनेटली ऑन अ वेरी हायर साइड। सो दोस्तों, क्या होगा? एवरी डे यू गेट 1 टेस्ट, 5 सेक्शंस। सो दोस्तों, ये रहा आपका शेड्यूल। 21st को यू गेट लीगल टुडे। ठीक है दोस्तों, ये लीगल का टेस्ट ऑलरेडी आपके कोर्स में डाल के रखा हुआ है। ठीक है, 22nd दैट इज टुमारो लॉजिक, 23rd RC, 24th कॉन्ट एंड 25th GKCA. That is how the, you can say, paper will be. On 26th you get a full paper. Okay, simple stuff. ड्यूरेशन 4 वीक का पार्ट है। ठीक है, मंडे टू फ्राइडे, आज ट्यूसडे से चालू हो रहा है, बट दैट्स ओके। ठीक है, ट्यूसडे टू सैटरडे होगा एंड देन संडे देयर इज अ टेस्ट। ओके, संडे देयर इज 1 मॉक, so you are going to get total 4 mocks from our side. Okay, the test will be available every day at 6 PM. Okay, ठीक है। सो दोस्तों, आपको ये 6 PM को टेस्ट अपीयर करने के लिए मिलेगा। ठीक है, हाउएवर जो मॉक टेस्ट होंगे, they will be available, you can say, at 2 PM, you can say, every Sunday. Okay, they will be available at 2 PM. Sectional test is every, you can say, day at 6 PM. Okay, how do you attempt the test? Very simple. Okay, the course is provided. एक कोर्स आपको दिया है, वो कोर्स का लिंक डायरेक्टली, ठीक है, इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, आप सीधा उसको ज्वाइन करिए। ठीक है, when you join a course, ठीक है, you are, you can say, getting 1 test every day which is of very high quality. ठीक है, you attempt the test within a time limit. Okay, so test has a time limit which is clearly mentioned. Okay, so for example, let's say legal test is of 35 minutes, or let's say in case you are not able to find where the time limit is mentioned, then my idea is legal you give 35 minutes, logic you give 30 minutes, okay, RC you give 25 minutes, okay, quant you take it in 15 minutes, and GKCA you take it in 15 minutes. This is how you can very well, you can say, keep a time. And then you download a PDF and with the PDF itself there is a OMR link provided. You submit your answer in the OMR link in a given time period. Okay, so what is the time period? Test starts at 6 p.m. on the same day at 11:59 p.m. that is रात को 12 बजे से पहले you have to submit your answer in the OMR. Okay, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये रहा आपका कोर्स, जो आप जब लिंक खोलेंगे ये रहा आपका कोर्स. दोस्तों, द कोर्स is charging certain money which is 99 rupees just for the sake of, you can say, ensuring that we have a serious candidate who are coming. ठीक है, in past we have seen when we kept it free, so many students just वहीं आ गए थे. ठीक है, and then at the end of the day not many of them were appearing for the test. Just for the sake of taking PDF, they were taking it and they were not appearing for the test. Keeping a price which is very nominal price, ठीक है, the aim of this nominal price is you have to be serious when you are paying money. Okay, you have to appear for the test and submit the OMR. Very important. Okay, ठीक है, is that very clear? Great. So once you click on this, okay, you join, ठीक है, and then you get a test. So here this is a test. Okay, so you click on this. This is a PDF, and then below that PDF there is a link available. So you click on it. Once you click on it, there is a link available. You click on that link and you'll start filling your answers. I hope it is very clear. Clear hai? Very good. So दोस्तों, I believe CLAT Huddle is going to be one of the very important stepping stone for our journey for this year. Yes or no? ये साल के लिए ये जर्नी का एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट बनेगा, ऐसा मेरा मानना है. This year we have ensured that the CLAT Huddle questions are of very high level. They are not of very easy level. Okay, so please make sure that you are putting a lot of efforts on this. Okay, great. Thank you very much for watching this and don't miss out to be part of this CLAT Huddle. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.